Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD JPY Directionless above 75.00 ahead of Australia Q2 inflation data. http ntvforex.com News IDEA 46C8. July 28, 23:30 GMT. By Anil Panchal. AUD JPY wavers in the choppy range above 75.15. Risk tone remains mildly positive despite dimming hopes of US stimulus. Vaccine news. Fed's actions seem to favor the optimists ahead of the key Aussie numbers. The pre-Fed trading lull, risk reset can bore the market players. AUD JPY trades near 75.20 during the pre-Tokyo Open Asian session on Wednesday. The pair has been taking rounds in nearly a 10 pips range off late. While the latest shift in market's risk tone sentiment should have ideally helped the quote snap its previous 4-day losing streak, bulls area waiting for Australia's second quarter Q2 Consumer Price Index CPI numbers for fresh impulse. The US Federal Reserve's Fed extension of stimulus deadline and President Donald Trump's push to the coronavirus COVID-19 vaccine hopes fail to defy the uncertainty surrounding the American fiscal package. Be it House Speaker Nancy Pelosi or White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, both are against the market expectations of any quick results on Phase 4 fiscal package. The importance of the delay becomes alarming as unemployment claim benefits are expiring this week. About the virus, Wave 2.0 of the pandemic is getting bitter day by day. US cases rose past 4.0 million whereas Victoria, China, and Spain have recently shown worrisome signs. Amid the pessimism, US President Trump tries to pitch for Americans' deal with Kodak Pharmaceuticals whereas Moderna also offered details of its plans to provide the vaccine. Not only the virus and politics, but Sino-American tensions are also weighing on the quote. The Trump administration's crackdown on Beijing's Hong Kong security bill gains support from the major West countries. However, the Dragon Nation keeps fighting against the world to prove it is right, which adds weakness to the risk barometer AUD JPY. While portraying the market sentiment, Wall Street marked a negative day whereas the US 10-year Treasury yields also slipped below 0.60%. Even so, S&P 500 futures seesaw around 3,215, up 0.10%, by the press time. Other than the risk catalysts, Aussie CPI data will be the key for the pair traders. Although forecasts suggest the inflation numbers remain dismal, mainly due to the pandemic effect in Q2, markets may ignore the pessimism during the anticipated risk reset. Read Australian RBA's quarterly inflation preview shrinking to record lows. Technical analysis. An upward sloping trend line from June 22, at 75.10 now, quickly followed by a 21-day SMA level of 75.02, are the key near-term support for the bears to conquer before targeting the monthly low under 74.00. On the contrary, a 10-day SMA level of 75.45 restricts the quote's immediate upside. Additional important levels. Overview. Today last price. 75.22. Today daily change. 0.11. Today daily change percent. 0.15%. Today daily open. 75.33. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 74.98. Daily SMA 50. 73.96. Daily SMA 100. 70.74. Daily SMA 200. 72.48. Levels. Previous daily high. 75.43. Previous daily low. 75.01. Previous weekly high. 76.88. Previous weekly low. 74.82. Previous monthly high. 76.79. Previous monthly low. 71.61. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 75.17. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 75.27. Daily Pivot Point S1. 75.09. Daily Pivot Point S2. 74.84. Daily Pivot Point S3. 74.67. Daily Pivot Point R1. 75.51. Daily Pivot Point R2. 75.68. Daily Pivot Point R3. 75.93. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.